Let's look at a second technique for choosing alternatives based on the crossover points, but not just reasoning our way through. Let's create a chart. So down below here, I've set up a chart where I have the three alternatives, and then I put some miles over here. I've put them evenly spaced. Really, the only thing that's sort of critical about this is that you start at 0 and you end up somewhere beyond your highest crossover point. And then I've got total cost calculated here, and we're going to just calculate that for all of them, and then we'll highlight the area and hit insert, and in charts we'll go over here to not a line chart but an XY chart, and we want one without the markers. And so there's the chart, and we'll of course we'll put a title in here real quickly. So this is crossover analysis of three alternatives. Maybe you'd want to pretty up your chart a little bit. We'll put a solid line for a border, and so on. And so what do we have here? Let's move this up a little bit where we can see the crossover points. So there they are. We've calculated them, and now we're showing them. And we knew, based on our reasoning, that we're going to choose the lowest fixed cost alternative first, and we're going to follow it up until it crosses over with something else. In this case, it's this alternative 3, which is the Prius. We could change the titles if we wanted to, and here's the used Corolla, and so on. Prius, and new Corolla. If you like, that makes it a little bit more readable. And here you see that there are some crossover points that really don't affect us in terms of choosing an alternative immediately. So at this crossover point, there's another alternative lower. Same thing here. At this crossover point, there's another alternative with a lower total cost. And we had calculated 139,000 for this crossover between 1 and 2. So that's what we're seeing here. The chart alone will not be enough resolution to help you, but the chart in combination with the calculated crossover point will tell you exactly what's going on. So I'm choosing this alternative, the used Corolla, up to 139,306, from 139,307 until infinity. I'm choosing the Prius. All right, there will be one more video showing one more example of this.